How to remove password from your Windows 11. Hey everyone, this is Lucy. So let's learn how to remove passwords. So there are mainly two ways you can do it, but there is an alternative. I will be talking about all of these three. So follow along with me. The first one is simple. You just need to go to settings and go to accounts, I guess. Now, after you're in account, you will see sign in options. Click on it and go to password. So right now I don't have any password, but if you have password, then you will see one option called change. You just need to click on it and you'll be here. Before this, you will be in a page where you need to enter your current password and you will be here. Now, in these boxes, first and second boxes, you need to left it blank. And for the password hint, type no password. So after that, click on next and click on finish. So this will not allow you to type any password to sign in. Another method is to just press Alt Control Delete and you will be taken to this screen. You just need to click on change password and here click your old password, new password and confirm your password. So here you need to enter your old password and you need to leave these two here and click on create a password reset disk. Those were the main ones. So this is the alternative one. If your computer didn't change your password from the previous ones, go to start menu or right click on it and click on computer management. It will just open a window called computer management. Here under computer management local, you will find system tools and here you will find local users and groups. And also you will find two folders. You need to click users. So it will show all the users in your computer. Right now I'm using this one. I'll just click on it and click on set password. So it will warn me to use Control Alt Delete. So it didn't work. So we are here. Click on proceed and you will be here to create a new password. Here you need to set it blank, both of it, and click on OK. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.